everybody, this is Julie Bean with Vintaj, and I have a really super simple project for you today. We're going to make a pair of earrings using some coin charm chain, a really pretty prestige crystal bicone, and this is an amethyst, and it's an 8mm size. So you can see what that looks like, super pretty. And then we're going to be using some 6mm gemstones. This is Crazy Lace Agate by Dakota Stones. So we're going to do a pop of purple at the base of this pretty antique copper coin charm chain. So if you see what this looks like, it's got these little medallions on it, which are really pretty, and it comes like this. And then we're just going to pair it with some Vintaj findings. So this is 1 inch. So I ordered 2 inches of the charm chain and I cut it in half. So I had 1 inch each. And then for each earring, we're going to be using 1 of our 8mm bicones and 2 of the little Crazy Lace agates in the purple color for the gemstones. So this is a quick and easy project to do. I'm going to actually show you how to do it right now. You have just 3 tools that are needed: chain nose, cutters, and wire looping or round nose pliers, whichever one you want to use. Grab your head pin. This is like I said, this is a really quick and easy project. Put on 1 of your gemstone beads, followed by your bicone and another gemstone bead. So that rests down at the base of your head pin. Now we're just going to make a simple wire loop. So you're just going to grab it, the wire where it exits the last bead, crimp it down, push it over, rotate your pliers to the top, and pull your wire around so it crisscrosses. So you've just made a little loop. You're going to trim that loop. Now you're going to look at your charm chain, and you'll notice down here there are 2 little medallions. You're going to separate those guys out because you want to link this between the 2. So just kind of lay that down on your table so you see where that spot is. Then you're going to open up the loop you just made. And you are going to, you can even pick it up by 1 of those medallions so you see that spot still. And then close it on up. Go to the other side of your charm chain, and you again have 2 medallions because there's 2 medallions on every jump ring that is part of this chain. So again, you want to find that midway spot. And this is so that when it hangs evenly. Okay, so this now is that midway spot, so you've got that pretty dangle effect going on. Again, lay that down on your table so that you can see where it's at. Open up the loop at the base of the earring hook and just slip on your chain and close it on up. There you go, you've got your earrings. So it was really fast. I would say this whole pair of earrings maybe takes about 3 minutes to make. Maybe even less, but it's a really nice go with everything pair of earrings. Real nice casual, but it's got that long dangly effect and a little bit of sparkle with the prestige crystal. So you can find the supplies for all this project and many more over at Vintaj.com. And if you like these tutorials, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get notified when there are more. Thanks everyone.